Modern homes are changing quickly, and with them, the desire for clean, stylish, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor is growing faster than ever. People want spaces that feel peaceful, organized, and filled with natural beauty. They want pieces that make their homes look refined while also adding warmth and comfort. And in this growing market, well-designed wooden furniture has become one of the most profitable opportunities available for creators, makers, and small woodworking businesses. In today's video, we explore a collection of modern wood furniture and decor ideas that consistently sell at higher prices. These are the kinds of pieces that attract the eye immediately, the kind that make a buyer stop scrolling, look again, and imagine how the item will elevate their home. Each image in this video represents a project that blends style, function, and profitable design. Some ideas focus on minimalism, others on luxury, and others on creative geometry, but all of them share one thing: buyers are willing to pay more for pieces that look modern, clean, and handcrafted. Whether you plan to create for your own home or to build a profitable side business, these ideas will help you understand what's trending, what buyers love, and what types of furniture consistently generate strong income. Enjoy the journey through modern design, thoughtful craftsmanship, and the beauty of wood shaped with purpose. Shoe racks and bookshelves have one thing in common: they solve problems that every home faces: organization, storage, and beauty. And that's precisely what makes them such dependable profit makers. Whether you operate a small workshop, a home garage, or a full-time woodworking business, these items offer a perfect balance of predictable sales, scalable designs, and creative freedom. To understand why they are so effective, you first have to look at what customers expect today. Modern buyers want furniture that is simple, minimal, and easy to fit into any interior. They want clean lines, warm natural textures, and pieces that serve more than one purpose. This shift in lifestyle has made compact shelves, slim shoe racks, and multifunctional bookcases some of the best-selling items online. Let's begin with shoe racks, because these tend to attract a wide range of customers: families, students, renters, and homeowners. Shoe racks are ideal for selling because the designs can start extremely simple. Even a basic two-tier rack made from softwood, neatly sanded and finished, can fetch a surprisingly good price. The key is presentation. A minimal rack with evenly spaced slats and smooth rounded edges immediately feels more refined than one with sharp corners and rough surfaces. Buyers often judge quality visually long before they touch the product. But the beauty of shoe racks goes beyond the basics. Once you master low-tier designs, you can move into three-tier racks, cubby-style racks, rotating racks, and wall-mounted racks, each offering a higher earning potential. The market especially favors racks with a slim profile because modern apartments rarely offer excess space. Designs that can hold 10 to 12 pairs while occupying minimal floor area are consistent winners. Another fact to consider: many customers want shoe storage that does more than store shoes. This is where you can set yourself apart. Bench-style shoe racks, which combine seating and storage, command a significantly higher price because they serve two functions at once. These are particularly popular in entryways, hallways, and mudrooms, making them an extremely profitable category. Adding a wooden or cushion top transforms a simple shelf into a premium item, and customers are often willing to pay double for that extra convenience. Moving beyond shoe racks, you enter the world of bookshelves, a category where design creativity expands dramatically. Bookshelves appeal to people of all ages for many different reasons. Some want a minimalist shelf for novels, others want a decorative unit for home office supplies, while others seek full-wall designs that transform their space into a cozy retreat. The versatility of this product category is one of the reasons it continues to perform strongly in the market. When creating shelves that sell, the construction doesn't always have to be complicated. In fact, some of the most profitable bookshelf styles are extremely straightforward, simple rectangular frames with adjustable or fixed shelves. What matters is proportion, finish, and functionality. A clean, well-balanced shelf instantly feels stylish, even if the structure itself is simple. Buyers expect durability, but they also love natural charm. Using visible wood grains, adding subtle curves, or including a contrasting color accent can drastically increase appeal. One of the most popular bookshelf trends today is ladder shelves. These shelves lean against the wall, creating a sense of lightness and modern style. They're perfect for plants, books, decorative items, and small accessories. Ladder shelves sell exceptionally well because they're space-efficient and visually striking without requiring complex joinery. Building them is fairly quick, yet they fetch high profits due to their trendiness. Another high-demand category is floating bookshelves. These minimalist shelves appear to float without visible brackets, making them a favorite for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. The beauty of floating shelves is that they require very little wood, meaning your cost stays low, while the selling price remains strong, especially when sold in sets of 3 or more. For buyers looking for something bold, geometric shelves are a fantastic option. Hexagonal, triangular, or asymmetrical shelves add artistic flair to any room and naturally attract design-conscious customers. These pieces often serve as decor as much as storage, making them perfect for customers willing to spend a bit more for originality. If you want to target a higher-end market, consider solid wood bookshelves with cabinet-style bases. This combination allows for both hidden storage and open display areas, making the piece more functional and valuable. These larger units require more time and materials, but they also generate higher returns per sale. Many customers use them as home office centers, dining room storage, or display units in living rooms. Now let's connect these ideas to real income opportunities. Many small woodshops underestimate how large the audience is for storage furniture. Both shoe racks and bookshelves are evergreen products. People buy them when moving to new homes, redecorating, organizing their rooms, or upgrading old furniture. Unlike seasonal items, these pieces sell every month of the year, which means you can build a stable business around them. Thank you for exploring these modern furniture and decor ideas with us. Each piece you've seen is more than just wood, it's inspiration, opportunity, and the possibility of growing your creativity into something profitable. The world of modern design is wide and constantly evolving, but the desire for beautifully crafted wooden pieces remains strong and steady. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.